Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Storypark app. First, download the Storypark app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. You'll then need to connect with your child's early learning service, usually through an invitation code or link provided by them. This initial setup ensures you can access all the personalized content for your child. Once logged in, you can easily navigate to your child's profile to explore their unique learning journey. Here, you'll find a rich collection of learning stories, including photos, videos, and detailed observations shared by their educators. Take a moment to view these precious moments and feel free to add your own comments or reactions to engage directly with the content and show your appreciation. Storypark isn't just for viewing. It's also a fantastic tool for collaboration. You can share your own observations and special moments from home directly with educators, providing a more complete picture of your child's development. Utilize the secure messaging feature for direct communication with staff and easily access important documents and notices from the learning service, keeping you fully informed. To personalize your experience, head to the settings menu where you can adjust notification preferences to suit your needs. If you ever have questions or need assistance, the app provides helpful support resources and frequently asked questions. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life with smart technology.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.